Hello, and welcome. Your kitchen is likely one of the most beloved places in your home. A place filled with the warmth of shared meals, the comfort of your favorite mug, and the aroma of a lifetime of memories. But what if this familiar, cherished space holds hidden dangers you might not be aware of? As we gracefully navigate our 50s and beyond, our bodies change in subtle ways. Our balance may not be as steady, our vision might not be as sharp, and our reflexes can slow down. These natural shifts can turn simple kitchen habits into potential risks, from a fall to a fire. This isn't meant to cause worry. It's about awareness and empowerment. By identifying a few common mistakes and making some simple adjustments, you can ensure your kitchen remains a safe, functional, and joyful place for you to continue creating wonderful memories. Today, with a gentle, caring, and expert approach, I want to uncover 4 common mistakes that many seniors make in the kitchen. We'll discuss why they're risky and, most importantly, provide clear, actionable ways to avoid them. This is about protecting yourself and your home so you can continue to enjoy your independence with peace of mind. Mistake 1. Using unstable chairs or step stools to reach high places. This is one of the most common and dangerous mistakes. The danger: using a chair, especially one with wheels, or an old, wobbly step stool to reach items on a high shelf, is an invitation for a fall. A simple misstep, a wobbly leg on the chair, or a sudden loss of balance can lead to a serious injury, like a broken hip or wrist. The safer way: instead of reaching, reorganize your kitchen to keep everything you need within easy reach. Place frequently used items like coffee mugs, plates, and your favorite spices on lower shelves or in pull-out drawers. For those items you only use occasionally, like a fancy serving dish, consider placing them in a harder-to-reach spot and asking a loved one for help when you need them. If you absolutely must use a stool, invest in a sturdy, certified stepladder with a handrail. Story: my friend, Eleanor, is a sprightly 78-year-old who still loves to bake. Her beloved stand mixer was on a high shelf. One day, she pulled a chair over to reach it. As she stretched, the chair wobbled, and she had to grab the counter to steady herself, narrowly avoiding a fall. It was a scary wake-up call. We spent an afternoon together reorganizing her kitchen, and now her mixer is on a sturdy, lower counter. "It's so much more convenient," she told me, "and I feel so much safer. It's not worth risking my independence just for a bowl of flour." Mistake 2. Leaving cooking food unattended on the stove. This simple habit can have devastating consequences. The danger: it's easy to get distracted. The phone rings, someone comes to the door, or you just need to pop into the living room for a moment. But leaving a pan on a hot stove unattended, even for just a minute, is a leading cause of home fires. Grease fires and boilovers can ignite quickly and spread. As we age, our reaction time may not be fast enough to deal with a sudden fire. The safer way: never walk away from the stove while you're cooking. If you need to leave the kitchen, even for a moment, turn off the burner. Use a timer to remind yourself to check on food in the oven. For dishes that require long, slow cooking, a slow cooker or a crock pot is a much safer alternative. Story: our neighbor, Robert, a retired firefighter at 75, told me a story about his own father, who forgot a pan of oil on the stove. The smoke alarm saved the house, but the fear of a serious fire was a powerful lesson. "It can happen to anyone," Robert said. "We get distracted. The best rule is simple. If you step away, turn it off." Mistake 3. Using appliances with frayed cords or near water. Electrical hazards can be overlooked, but they are a serious risk. The danger: a frayed electrical cord is not just a tripping hazard. It's a fire and electrocution risk. The exposed wires can short out and ignite nearby materials. Using small appliances like a toaster or a coffee maker too close to the sink or other water sources can also be extremely dangerous. The safer way: regularly inspect all your appliance cords for any signs of wear, cracks, or fraying. If you see damage, replace the appliance or have the cord professionally repaired. When using appliances, be mindful of where the cords are and keep them away from walkways. And always keep small kitchen appliances at a safe distance from your sink and any water sources. Story: My Aunt Susan was about to plug in her old, faithful toaster when she noticed a tiny black mark on the cord. On closer inspection, she saw the cord was cracked and a small wire was exposed. It was a wake-up call. I had no idea how dangerous that was, she told me. I immediately replaced it. It made me realize I needed to be more careful about all the little things in my kitchen. Mistake 4. Not having a clear pathway or using slippery rugs. A cluttered floor or an unsecured rug can lead to a devastating fall. The danger: a kitchen floor cluttered with shopping bags, small pet bowls, or even a loose rug can cause you to trip. A sudden fall on a hard kitchen floor can be very serious. As we get older, our reflexes may not be quick enough to catch ourselves, and a fall can lead to fractures, head injuries, or a difficult recovery. The safer way: ensure your kitchen floor is always clear. Get into the habit of putting groceries away immediately. Remove any throw rugs that are not secured, or use a non-slip backing or double-sided tape to make sure they are completely flat and do not slide. Story: our friend, David, had a small decorative rug in front of his sink. One day, he stepped on it just right, and it slipped out from under him. He fell hard, breaking a wrist. The recovery was long and difficult. I never thought that little rug was a risk, he said. Now, I make sure every surface I walk on is solid and clear. It's a habit I wish I had started years ago. Conclusion. So, there you have it. 4 common mistakes to avoid in your kitchen: using unstable chairs to reach, leaving food unattended, using damaged cords, and not having a clear path. By being mindful of these risks and making a few simple adjustments, you can ensure your kitchen remains a safe and joyful place. Remember, this is about empowering yourself. It's about being proactive and taking charge of your safety and independence in the home you love. Your safety is not a matter of luck. It's a matter of awareness and action. I genuinely encourage you to reflect on your own kitchen. Is there a loose rug you can secure or an appliance cord you need to check? What's one small change you can make today to make your kitchen safer? Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your advice can help someone else. If you found this video informative, caring, and truly helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, I would be deeply honored if you would subscribe for more essential content focused on healthy aging, well-being, and living your most fulfilling life. Sharing this video could genuinely help someone you care about stay safe and independent in the heart of their home. Thank you for being here with me today.